Okay, I'm super excited to show this to you guys today. Once Bola Voice Perio is installed, it will look just like this in Dentrix. You'll see your entire Dentrix Perio chart and the Bola Voice Perio panel over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to chart all the conditions in a complete Perio chart using Voice Perio. You don't have to memorize any lists of commands or train this in any way. You basically just turn it on and go. So I'm going to do pocket depths and gingival margin and switching back and forth between those. Furcations, mobility, bleeding, and separation. You'll see that I do all of the conditions except recession while the cursor is on the pocket depth row, and then I'll switch to the GM row. Let's take a look. This message is asking you to be sure that these panels are not overlapping, that they are side by side, and to select the first available site in the arch. For this example, it's the distal buccal of tooth number 1. Once I click here, you'll see the mic will turn red and we're ready to go. 545, 545, 545, 434, 434, 434, 323, 323, 222, back, 323. Furcation grade 2 on tooth number 2 buccal. Mobility +3 on tooth number 3. Bleeding on the mesial and distal of tooth number 2. Bleeding all tooth number 3. Separation on the distal of tooth number 1. Separation all tooth number 2. Bleeding on sexton 3. Separation on sexton 4. Start recession. 333, 222, 111. Jump to tooth number 7. 0, 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 0. Start pocket depths. 3, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 3, 2, 3. And then we'll just save the exam just like you're doing right now. Okay, now that we've seen the demo, let's go to the help section. Help and training are available inside the app. Instructions for use is for the clinicians, configuration and terms of use for the admin staff, and support. There's troubleshooting, frequently asked questions, and how to contact us. Let's take a look at the interactive training mode. The interactive training can be forwarded as a link to all of the clinicians if they want to do the training outside of the operatory or outside of the office. They will need both the link and the license key that comes in the welcome email from Henry Schein. This is just letting you know to prepare your environment so that your voice is the most prominent voice in the room. Then what happens is a short video will play, followed by an interactive session. They'll just follow the prompts at the top of the screen. The videos are listed here on the right-hand side. Once they finish the interactive portion, the next video will play, and so on. If you watch all of the videos and do all of the interactive portions, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're doing this away from the office, the complete the chart at the end will give even the most seasoned clinician a chance to practice before using this with patients. The quick start guides are also very helpful. It's a visual of how to say all the different commands. There's an exhaustive command list here and the how-to videos. Again, you can copy the link and forward it to whoever wants to watch it. We find that completing this training makes a significant difference from going from unassisted charting to assisted charting. One of the latest features that we have here in the Bola Voice Perio panel is Calculate PI. So I'm finished with my Perio chart and I'm going to go ahead and calculate. And you see up here in the quick view that it says Calculating PI. So this is a patient education tool. I love this tool. It will give us a breakdown of the entire summary of the exam. I've tried educating patients every which way that I could think of, but I find that the most effective education is education that they can understand. So this breaks it down into a fraction. It's like a blood pressure fraction, but this one is how many pockets over 5 millimeters and how many bleeding spots. I can change this to 4 millimeters if I like. It gives the percentage of the mouth that's impacted. It will break down where are the problems. It will suggest some treatment. It will count up all of your antibiotic sites, and it will tell you which quadrants would need scaling and replanting. If it was only a localized situation, it would list out the teeth here. You can edit all of this or just print it for the patient. They definitely have an easier time understanding this than if you just print the perio chart.